Hey there, please watch this review video and you'll thank me later.
Warning: vitiligo can be very dangerous if left untreated. If you have vitiligo, besides the more conventional causes, it is also possible that your vitiligo is related to other risky conditions. Vitiligo is a message from your body telling you something is wrong inside. The only way you can ever cure your vitiligo is from within, by correctly diagnosing your condition and listening to what your body is trying to tell you. Introducing Vitiligo Miracle, David Paltrow's holistic system for reversing vitiligo naturally. That will teach you how to permanently stop your vitiligo, restore your natural skin color and achieve the lasting vitiligo freedom you deserve. Vitiligo Miracle is a 170-page downloadable ebook, jam-packed cover to cover with all the secret vitiligo cure methods and unique powerful techniques. And the step-by-step holistic vitiligo system discovered in over 12 years of vitiligo research. Vitiligo Miracle is completely unique and different from any other information source or vitiligo solution. Vitiligo Miracle is customizable for your unique condition. Vitiligo Miracle is a lifetime solution that helps you to permanently prevent, not just deal with, vitiligo. Vitiligo Miracle is practical, not demanding and difficult, and it works fast. Discover how to eliminate your vitiligo symptoms in hours. Get it now. Official link given in the description.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.